Peanut milk cinnamon. Why it's amazing for men. Peanut milk cinnamon is surging in popularity among men for its reported ability to boost sexual performance, as well as improve overall health and vitality. But are these reports simply hype, or does this natural concoction offer real benefits to men? In this video, we look at the actual scientific facts behind the claims and assess whether peanut milk cinnamon can really boost male health. And be sure to watch to the end, where we give you the exact recipe so you can try it for yourself. What is peanut milk cinnamon? Peanut milk cinnamon is a mixture of crushed peanuts and water, which are blended together to form a milk. Cinnamon powder is then added to create the final product. Why would this drink be beneficial to men? To answer this question, let's look at the key ingredients. Peanuts have long been used in traditional medicine as libido boosters and as an ingredient in treatments to combat erectile dysfunction. As well as being high in protein, peanuts are a rich natural source of L-arginine, which is an amino acid that has been proven to improve sexual function in men by relaxing blood vessels. Medical studies have shown that L-arginine plays an important role in producing nitric oxide. This is an important molecule when it comes to the ability to maintain erections because nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it widens blood vessels. In one medical trial, 31% of men reported a noticeable improvement in sexual function after taking L-arginine orally for 6 weeks. Cinnamon has been used in Chinese and Western herbal medicine for centuries. It contains large amounts of polyphenol antioxidants, which protect the body from disease. The antioxidants in cinnamon also have potent anti-inflammatory effects. When it comes to sexual function, cinnamon has been shown clinically to have beneficial effects on sperm viability, motility, and serum total testosterone. These qualities both increase male fertility and maintain healthy reproductive function in men. So you can see why the combination of peanuts and cinnamon can offer a boost when it comes to both sexual function and overall health. How to make peanut milk cinnamon? For this recipe, you'll need 3 cups of raw, unsalted peanuts, 6 cups of water, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Buy organic products wherever possible. First, pour the peanuts into a container and cover with water. Then store the container in your refrigerator overnight. After the peanuts have soaked, pour them into a strainer and transfer to a blender. Add 3 cups of water and blend for 1 minute. Next, place a cloth over a container and pour the mixture on top to separate the remaining pieces of peanut from the liquid milk. Then, simply add the cinnamon powder and mix. And now, you have peanut milk cinnamon. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day!